Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal. Today out here on the range, having some fun with some 12 gauge. And what I brought out was my Radical MKX3. Yeah, this is a semi-auto 5-round mag shotgun. And you can change out the chokes. I have the cylinder bore choke in it right now. God's going to be slinging a slug or two today. Yeah, check that thing out. Got a red-green dot on top of there, so I won't miss much. Yeah, this thing is real shooter. And what are we going to be shooting at? Well, let me show you. We're going to be trying out 3 different shells, and we're going to be trying them at 50 yards to see how well they impact. First up, I have some Fiochi high velocity. These are number 6 shot. Yeah, it's pretty orange, ain't it? These were sent in by Mark C. We'll throw him a big thanks. Appreciate that, bud. And this is really good ammo. It is high velocity, but it's your basic 6 shot, birdshot type of 12 gauge. And hopefully it'll reach on out there 50 yards and tag something. We're going to be shooting that green silhouette out there. And second up, and these are some oldies but goodies, Remington Express buckshot. These are double-aught buck, 9 pellets. Yeah, that ought to reach out there to 50. I mean, it's high brass. And let us hear a ding or two. And last but not least, it's not a 12 gauge video unless you're slinging a slug down range. I have these Federal 3-inch true ball rifled slugs, HP, and that's what them critters look like. Yeah, and believe it or not, in this shotgun, the 3-inch slugs, they don't really kick that bad. But first of all, I know y'all can see the green silhouette up there. You can't really see it that good because of that one dang weed right there is in the way. Well, I think that we have a method here. What have I got here? Some Winchester Upland. Just some basic, what is this, number 7.5 shot. Let's just grab some of these low-cost 7.5s. Load up our mag. Now, these bullets are great for weed killing, I would assume. We're fixing to find out. We're going to see if we can mow down that big weed. Then we can see our target well. Let's run up there and do some weed killing. Oh yeah, that works out great for killing weeds. Now, as you can see, I have a nice straight path, so we can see that target. Yeah, warm out walking all the way up there. Alright, first up, let's put the slug in last. And for the slug, a double-aught buck. First up, our Fiochi 6 shot. Oh yeah. What's a heck of a combo, ain't it? Turn that little green dot on. Now, we will see what we think this thing will do at 50 yards. Y'all throw down in the comments what you think. I mean, if my aim's decent, I'm sure the slug will get there. But the number 6 and the double-aught buck, we wonder. Well, we won't be wondering no more. We are hot and fire in the hole. Well, I'm not seeing the dot. Well, there's the green one. Oh yeah. Well, I think it shot a little low, but we might have got there. Close-up camera got it. Now, for our double-aught buck. Definitely heard a ding on that one. Now, let's see what this slug can do to her. Alright. Well, that slug said it had a little bit of power to it. And far out. Apparently it did. I mean, I didn't mean to kill the poor old target. Well, now, I didn't expect that. Of course, I haven't seen the slow motion footage. I don't know if the number 6 made it up there and peppered it or not. But I know the double-aught buck hit it good, and that slug super surprised me. That is a fantastic target. Come with that stand system, which has been holding up very well. We've hit it. It's pretty heavy stuff, and I think I've shot it with slugs before. But that true ball right there at 3 inch, man, that thing's no joke. Knocked my dang target down. Hey, it happens. If you shoot at it, sometimes stuff's going to fall down. Well, guys, that's going to wrap this one up. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I thought it'd be a lot of fun just do some 12 gauge testing like that, and especially at 50 yards and just see what's going on. Well, if you would, throw me down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon. And please, check out that super thanks down below. Jim was the first guy who ever done it, and that's greatly appreciated. If y'all can, click on that. It's pretty cool. And please, like, share, and subscribe. Again, appreciate it much. Until the next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day.